Hey guys, a lot of people asking one question here. So how to creating the Google Map or Google My Business the particular location. In this purpose, we have to URL will be here business.google.com. In this particular URL we can use to create the Google Map location particular business. So I'm selecting this website. So how to create the Google My Business? First of all, add location for single location here. First of all, keep it an address with you. So start here. So I'm starting will be interior designers and decorators, Hyderabad. So completely we can select it in this add your business to the Google option. Now here we can start your business name. Interior business and decorators in Hyderabad. So here two position will be there with the keyword and with the company name we can create the Google Map location. So here create with this name. Next, this is the first step. Category will be interiors. So interior designers. Next. After that, is asking for options. Do you want to add the location customer can visit like a store or shop? Yes, we can visit this location also. Then mean by I have physical address will be there or not, they will check the information. Next, after that, what is your address? I'm enter the address will be here. So here, I'm update every location will be here in this. So we can go for in this option will be here. So this. So what are the name will be mentioned in this here. After that, click for next. Is asking for your physical location. Where it is the physical location that will be pinned for the particular map. Where it is we have to select the pin and update by the in the particular option. Now it is I'm updating for map here. First, this map will be sharing for your WhatsApp share somewhere else. So based on that, we have to activate for in this option. So here you can everything will be there the particular option. So based on that, your location we have to activate for in the particular option. Now, before option, so here, next, exact location will be given. So how to I give the location will be depend on your particular option. So we can give the particular thing will be here. So in this, you can add your particular option will be here. Just and check the particular place. So here, I'm selecting for landmark. So where Almadina Kinan and General Store here opposite. Here I'm selecting in this option. Now, what the location will be shared, can check will be here. So in this option will be here. Check this option on this, and location will be shared. So any client will be shared location by WhatsApp compulsory need. After click for next. Here, do you also serve customer outside this location? Only for we can location will serve for only a nearby location outside also. I can sell for the particular outside my location. Next, here will be adding for. So where you can adding the particular location, Hyderabad. So what are the location are here? So particular Medipatnam, Gachibowli, Kondapur, Madhapur. So what are location nearby here? We can add by the all for the particular application. So here, now click for next. In the service area, we can add by the particular 20 location. So right now I enter the phone number and the website address. Guys, but suppose you don't have any website, no worry about that. Get free website based on your information. So Google Map will be create your website. No worry about that. You can create your free website also using for Google Map option. Next, add your contact details. So enter the contact details. After that, I'll start for next option. After that, finish and manage this listing. Select it. Now you'll get by 12 days verification will be required on the particular location. So it will be coming to add the name and click for mail option will be here. So next I'm enter the name will be here. What are the name will be here? I'm enter the in this option. So here particular 12 working days you receive by the Google My Business option. So particular location we receive by the Google Maps on the particular location will be here. How many days? 12 working days. Follow this 12 working days and postcard will be received and verify the code and active the your particular Google Map location will be active in this search engine purpose. So after activation, the search engine will be affected by the search results to increase the website traffic and the search value purpose. So this is a way we can creating for Google Map location. Now I click for continue option. Now click for continue in this here. And custom size we can add by in this option will be here. Any option will be here. Interior, decorated and save. Now add your business description. So where it is here, copy and add your description. Save. Add your particular photos. So what are your business photos are here? Just upload your business photos by using for your location wise. So compulsory, what are the parameter they ask? You have to finish by complete your in the particular option. So what are the things you have designed by in this option? We have to upload by in your particular post. So yeah, everything is done. Click for next and click for continue. It's almost ready over here particular things here. Complete for is a finish for 65%. What are the pending for? Logo will be pending here. So update by logo will be in your particular option. Choose photo here and upload it in this logo will be updated by in the particular position. So yeah, I'm updating for logo also. What are the information you have to fill up? Complete information will be update the Google My Business option. That is very important on the particular things. Now here, just updating logo here. Complete information will be filled 100%. They will taking for some time to the give the update here. So here, just in this, every option will be there in a particular option. So add your cover photograph. Now info will be here. Once code will be received, here will be click for verify option will be here. Home option, still how much your pending will be there. They show the complete pending. They're showing 80%. Will update for your particular business hours. So we can all updating for business hours are compulsory important. In map creation time, compulsory you have to give the all details are compulsory mandatory field. So yeah. Apply it. When it is finished 100%, now they show you for no errors will be occur. After verify this business, lot of changes will be there. You have to change the options based on your request. So this is a way creating for Google My Business on particular location. You receive by the 12 days of the verification code, verify it and use by Google My Business based on the post to increase your website traffic, and every option will be there in the particular Google Maps option. So any further details are required, please ask me in a question for the my particular Digital Rakesh channel. So coming to my channel, if you have any further questions are required, please ask me in my particular channel. Please subscribe for my channel. For any further questions or any comment for regarding any issues, please comment me. I'll give the complete information on the particular details and what are the things are required. We have to everything displayed for the particular YouTube channel option. Thank you. Thank you for watching.